boy, how I still remember my first journey to the fair. The whole family crammed into that old delivery truck as we traveled through a frog forest, a fortune teller's camp, and a very weird woods. Ma and Pa always warned us to keep our eyes peeled for that pie-napping crafty coyote. And with the big 100th anniversary coming up, what better time to gather my little cubs and return to the...
Knott's Berry Tales, Return to the Fair. An all-new 4D interactive ride, coming summer 2020.